So the next question does have to do more with botrytis. And that question is, what aroma and flavor characteristics would botrytized grapes impart in a wine? Would it be A, dried apricot and honey, B, lemon and green apple, C, petrol and honey, or D, toffee and honey? So honey, you got a lot of options here. Looks like people are starting to chime in with their answers. I can see a few coming in here with the letter A so far. It seems to be the most popular.
Okay, and the music stopped, and you're right, Peter. Looks like A is the favorite answer.
A is correct. Yep. So the characteristics you would get with botrytis grapes made into a wine would be dried apricot and honey. Other characteristics you might get, some people liken it to sort of a saffron-like character, or marmalade is another one. But generally, those are it's a dried fruit character that you would get because you are drying the grape out from the botrytis. All right, let's go on to our question that has to do with picking grapes at night. So what is the main advantage to picking grapes at night? Is it A, because it's better to ferment the grapes in the daytime? B, cooler temperatures mean a higher chance of more structured tannins in the finished wine. C, it can minimize oxidation and therefore retain primary fruit characters of the grapes. Or is it because you get to use night vision goggles? By the way, these are my new blue light glasses for computer light. But I think it would be pretty cool to wear some night vision goggles. So which of those is the correct answer? Have you ever picked grapes at night, Christian?
I have, yeah. It's not easy. Well, picking grapes at any time is not easy work.
Yeah.
Picking in the dark can have its own challenges too, or at night, not in the dark, obviously.
And if you live near a vineyard in Napa Valley, as many of us do, I don't live right next door, but other people live next door to a vineyard picks at night. You've got the machines going by, you've got the bright lights. It can probably interfere with your sleep a little bit. Okay. Ready for the answer?
Yes.
Correct answer is C. It can minimize oxidation and retain primary fruit characters of the grapes. In addition, when you bring the grapes in at night, their temperature is going to be much colder. And if you want to do, let's say, a cold soak, particularly with your red grapes, it's good to already have that temperature to be on the cool side rather than warm. And for white wines, they often, as the answer indicates, really help to maintain the primary fruit aromas and also avoid oxidation.